Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some inexpensive DIY Mother's Day gift. If you are interested in seeing how these turned out, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. All of the items used for this video were either purchased from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or the Dollar Tree. Some of them I already had them in my craft bin. First, we're going to start off by spray painting all of the foams. Make sure you let them dry before proceeding on to the next step. Moving on to the letters, I used some paint that I had in my craft bin to paint them, and I made sure to give them about 2 to 3 coats, and I painted both the front and the back and let them dry overnight. I used the diamond wrap to wrap all around of the foam. The pink one had the adhesive in the back. The other one did not, so I used the hot glue gun. Please be careful when you are using the hot glue gun because I burned my fingers several times as I did not have anything to protect my fingers, which you'll see that later on in the video. I also want to mention that when I spray painted one of the foam with the metallic gold, it turned out looking so weird. I'm not sure if it's because it can't handle that kind of chemical, but you'll see that somewhere in the video. I'm going to stop talking now. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do make a DIY Mother's Day gift for your mom, be sure to let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.